G'day, my name's Roberto Anatori and I teach microbiology here at Clark College. How many of you have heard about antibiotics? I'm guessing a lot. How many of you have heard about the antibiotic crisis? Maybe not as many of you. Well, antibiotics, wonder drugs, are basically starting to lose their effectiveness because microbes are becoming resistant to them. And if we don't do something about that, in a number of years, antibiotics will stop working basically, and people will start dying of infections that are just common infections. Well, we have a class here at Clark College called Biology 105, Antibiotics Research 1, which is really looking to find new antibiotics in nature. Would you like to be a part of that? Well, it's a great class, no prerequisites, 5 credits, run in winter 2022. It's a hybrid class in that the laboratory will be in person on campus, whereas the lecture will be online. It covers microbiology and genetics. And you might be wondering, why should I take this class? Well, maybe you need 5 credits of natural science. You might be doing a social science degree and you need 5 credits of natural science. That's one reason. You might be interested in scientific research, or maybe you're not sure if you are. And this is a great class to see whether you might have an interest in that area. And even better, it helps humanity. Who knows, we might find a new antibiotic that is great at killing off microbes. Well, I'm going to place a link below in the description with a little bit more information about the class. You should register as soon as possible if you're interested. Just go onto the Clark College website. Once again, it's Biology 105, called Antibiotics Research 1, no prerequisites and 5 credits.